Hi, welcome to PLANTEST. PLANTEST is a project made for the Citrus Hack 2020 competition by the team of Franco Miranda and Grant Swajan, all in under 24 hours. PLANTEST is a free web app to help you plan your garden, find growing information about the plants in your garden, and buy your garden supplies online, all in one easy-to-use interface. Just go to the website and click to plan your garden to get started. Here, you'll be met with this user interface. This is a 10-foot by 5-foot plot of land, and each one of these squares represents 1 square foot. You can click any one of these plants, and that'll give you some information on the plant, such as how much water it needs, how much space it needs, and what's the best time to grow it. Just left-click anywhere on the canvas, and that'll actually place it, and you can begin designing. If you place one that you don't want anymore, you can right-click, and that'll get rid of it. And you can place as many different types of plants as you'd like, and scroll down for different options. Here's some daffodils. You'll notice that the different plants have different sizes. For instance, this rose bush is about 36 inches in diameter, and that's because it requires about 36 inches of space to grow. Celery, however, smaller because it requires less space to grow. Once you have a nice garden, you can save it, and save it as whatever you'd like. And if you want to start over, you can click New Garden, and click OK. And if you have an old save file or a friend has sent you a save file, you can click Load Garden, and that'll load up a garden from one of the save files you made earlier. I like this one, so I'm going to try to make it. I'm going to click here to buy my supplies. Here I have a list of where to buy all of the supplies for the garden that I've planned and the total cost that it'll be. I can click any one of these links, and that'll take me to Amazon where I can actually order those online. And once I'm done, I can click here to download a PDF, and I can print this PDF out and take it to the garden with me as a reference, so I know where to put all my plants. And down here it'll also give me the information I had earlier for how much I need to water them and how much space they need. So that's been PLANTEST. Thank you for watching.